One tree, endless beauty. From summer fragrance to fiery fall color, meet the Sourwood. Welcome to TN Nursery, your source for native trees and plants. Today's spotlight, Sourwood tree, southern charm with sweet summer blooms. The Sourwood tree produces fragrant, cascading white flowers in summer that attract bees and pollinators. These blooms are the source of the famous and highly prized Sourwood honey. In fall, the Sourwood tree foliage transforms into brilliant crimson red, creating one of the most stunning autumn displays in the South. This ornamental tree is a slow to medium grower, typically reaching 20 to 30 feet tall, making it ideal for smaller landscapes. The Sourwood thrives in zones 5 through 9, preferring acidic and well-drained soil conditions. Gardeners love it as a low-maintenance, hardy native tree with year-round appeal. With spring buds, summer blooms, fiery fall color, and unique winter bark, the Sourwood tree offers four-season beauty. Dreaming of adding a Sourwood tree to your landscape? We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Ready to bring home the beauty of the Sourwood? For your orders, simply click the link in the description below and plant your very own today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TN Nursery for more inspiration on native trees and plants. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy planting.